All right, hello, good morning, good evening, and good night. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic because in today's video, we're talking about none other than the green icon, MPW, Medical Properties Trust. The reason we're talking about Medical Properties Trust is today they announced their third quarter results, as you can see right here. So what we're going to do is I don't have all the results. I have some, but we're going to go over the third quarter results. I'm going to go over why they're up roughly 11 to 12% today. I'm going to go why I'm so excited. This is a great way to wake up in the morning, guys. When you wake up, you see your stocks up 10%. They had a good earnings call. And you know what? We're just going to get into all that in this video on MPW. I'll also tell you my shares, what I'm feeling like for the future, and everything like that. So, without further ado, we're up to 3,170 subscribers. If you're interested in making money, high dividend, income, or anything like that, just anything related to stocks, I'm a stock guy. Please do subscribe. Don't hesitate. It's free. Why not subscribe? I know you guys gotta, spend your time with me here, obviously, but you know what? If you're interested in anything money, just subscribe. It's free. You know what? You're gonna get some insights. You might get some cool stocks, so just do it. Awesome. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into MPW. So today, I love Google, by the way. It said, so MPW takes a net income and adds back items such as depreciation and amortization. The company said that they had a net income of 116.7 million or 19 cents per share. This is a big step up from MPW the last time, as just going into their financials to their quarterly results. We're looking at the last quarter, Q2. You could see that their net income was actually negative 42,000. I'm pretty sure it was 42 million, negative 42 million right here. And I'm not sure exactly. Maybe we could see right here. So it was actually a miss and an actual of negative 7 cents per share. So they are up 19 cents per share on this quarter and a normalized FFO of 38 cents per share. So they clearly are on the right path here. As you can see, they beat even many previous quarters with their net income coming in way higher, looking like September of last year, which is great. MPW, a few things that happened for MPW was, we'll read right here. Obviously, their net income of 19 cents per share, normalized FFO of 38 cents per share in the third quarter. We could see that Soared Health, where is it? Or no, sorry, it was Prospects. So we got here, anticipated rents, collected cash rent payments in each of September and October from Prospect, meaning Prospect paid them their rent, because you know what? Two companies, Prospect and Soared Health. Soared Health is a pretty big company at 3.8 million for Medical Properties Trust and Prospect. So Prospect paid them in September and October. They were behind on their rent, but it's good to see that they're paying once again. That's a pretty bullish sign for MPW because that's a decent portion of their revenue. But yeah, this was a great surprise to wake up to, because I've been buying MPW over the past little while. I've been a little uncertain about it, but look, MPW is a hospital REIT. They're the second largest hospital REIT in the world. They hold about 19 billion, just going to their results right here. You can see they hold $19 billion in total assets, and then in their total liabilities column, if we could, never mind. Total liabilities are about 10.7 million. Yes, their total assets are about 19 billion. And their total liabilities, we'll call 11 billion to be on the conservative side. So they're about $8 billion in that spread. $8 billion when going to their market cap should give them a estimated kind of share price about triple this. So about $15 when looking at kind of that marker right there. So MPW obviously is trading at a pretty good discount compared to what they own currently if they were to sell all their assets versus their liabilities. And this was just a great sign from the company here, this earnings call, just due to the fact that there was a lot of uncertainty around whether Prospect was going to pay, whether they were going to be profitable and turn the business around. They were down in the negative for the past few quarters. And it's something you don't really want to see as an investor. You want to see your companies doing well. You don't want to see your companies going down. But fortunately, this is not something new to MPW. MPW, if you look over their max price chart history, it doesn't necessarily show it the best. But when looking at a period like 2008, when it was not really something similar to now, but it was still a recession where, interest rates got hiked. MPW share price got crushed. They went down to $3.50 right here. And you could see when recessions hit or downturns hit, MPW obviously gets hit pretty hard. So here in 2022 to 2023, you can't really say that we're in a recession, but what I would argue to say is that we're definitely not in an uptrend. We're in a period where market volatility is high, and also at the same time, kind of a bad sentiment around the market is kind of there. No one really knows where we're going, and so people are uncertain. Some people are taking out their money, and as you can see, MPW has traded down so much, literally losing 75 to 80% of its share price value from $22 all the way down here to where we're currently at, where it was really at, to be honest, about like $4.50. So $1 above that previous low from 2009. Now, as you can see, MPW over the long term has generally recovered. This is just, in my opinion, a kind of setback in their kind of company in terms of their share price. I do think their company is doing totally fine. You know what? They're hanging in there. They have a decent amount of cash on their balance sheet. But MPW has been through the storm before. They've been through a not necessarily financial crisis, but they've been through a recession, survived it, and then came out on the other side pretty prosperous. Now, MPW, as I mentioned before, they are the second largest owner of hospital properties. Hospital properties not just pertaining to like general acute care hospitals, but a bunch of different things: behavioral health facilities, inpatient rehabilitation hospitals, long-term acute care hospitals. And they are an international company with let's be real, most of their business is in the United States. But as you can see here, just going on our portfolio, looking underneath here, you can see they do have some hospitals, I'm pretty sure, in Spain, Germany, England. I'm not sure exactly, but that's just something to keep in mind as well, that they are an international company. So as long as people need hospitals, people are going to be needing MPW. And that's another reason they are an essential service, essential business. And that's why I chose to invest. I know that their stock price has been beaten down over the past little while. I have been buying a little bit in my portfolio. I hold 115 shares. As you can tell, I'm excited about the company because this is a company that a lot of people have told me it's not good. It's going to the ground. Sure, I'm down 50%. That's not including the 13% gain that we have today. But I've been buying. I've been lowering my average share to about $9 per share or so. I think that's a pretty good buy for MPW. I haven't been buying too much recently, just due to the fact that I wanted to see some confirmation like this. The business is slowly turning around. And this is really one stepping stone for MPW, with their net income coming positive and them actually earning a decent amount for their net income, where they can look to build for the future, use that capital to pay out dividends, but then further reinvest in the company. That's really what we want to see as investors. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you guys got a sense of where I'm at for MPW. I am bullish long-term MPW. I see these as buying opportunities for the long term. I'm not looking to sell. I'm really actually not looking to sell any of the companies that are in my portfolio here. I am holding them for the long term. I thought pretty hardly and deeply about each company that I own, as well as MPW. I bought it. I'm sticking with it. I'm taking these opportunities to buy at lower prices. I'm going to continue to collect the dividends because the dividends have been paying me well. Even though they cut their dividend down to 15 cents, literally half, that's all good for me. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you guys got the news that MPW is positive 19 cents per share, normalized FFO of 38 cents per share in the third quarter. This being October 26th, just released it today at 11 a.m. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, got a little sense of where my kind of standing is on MPW. I know the market might be unshaky. I'm kind of still investing regardless of what the market's doing. Just make sure you guys got a lot of cash on the side in case something does happen. But who could really predict that? So you just gotta invest and do what you think is best for you. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe if you haven't yet done so. If you're interested in anything MPW, obviously the other stocks, QQQY, Clip, TSLY, high paying dividends. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.